Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. Students, we have seen your CTs which you have taken, and that is really satisfactory. You all have tried your level best to perform better in that CT, and we are hoping for more result, because anyhow we also want our students to grow time by time. A small piece of advice is there to all the children. Whenever you take any test, then read the instructions carefully and then apply those instructions on your answers. That's it, and you will be the owner of good marks. So children, this was about your CT. What is our today's topic? The topic which we are going to read today, that is another poem from your book Sunbeam, and that is chapter 4, which is a poem, The Squirrel. In this poem we will be learning that generally we say, I don't have this, how can I be happy? I don't have that big thing, how small things can make us happy? But in this story we will be learning that whichsoever things we have been given, we should be happy, we should be contented, and definitely there is no rule, there is no strictness that we will be happy in our luxuries only. If we are positive, if we are optimistic, then we can be happy with the things which we have been provided. So now let's learn, let's see what squirrel wants to teach us. Focus on the text, children. The poem The Squirrel by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. Children, see how happy the squirrel is because he lives the life according to his choice, the things which have been available to him. Let's start. He wore a question mark for tail and overcoat of grey. Generally, the color of the squirrel is a mixture of grey and black, and that's why it is said overcoat of grey, means fur of the squirrel is of grey color. He wore a question mark means look at his tail. Doesn't it look like a tail? Doesn't it look like a question mark? Of course, it looks like it has a shape of question mark. That's why the poet says that he wore a question mark because of the shape of the tail. Next is, can you tell children what he is doing here? He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. We all know that squirrel is a playful animal. He is sitting straight to eat a nut because he liked to tease others. He liked to play with others. See how happily he is sitting and enjoying his nut. Students, you might have also seen squirrel running around here and there. Can you really think of catching him? Of course not. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. He is quite naughty. He is quite playful. Whenever we go near him, then definitely he runs towards other way. It is not easy. In fact, it is near to impossible to catch the squirrel. So children, I hope children that this small poem you have understood nicely. So, what message does this poem give to us? That we should also live happily with the things that have been provided to us. I hope, children, that you understood this poem and you will be surely reading and you will be surely thinking to be playful, to be naughty, to be sensitive like the squirrel. Keep enjoying, keep working hard, children. God bless you. We'll meet you in our next video lecture with a new topic of English. Goodbye.